Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A22, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And for this we will need this SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in a box. You can get it from there, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from there, once you got it, you're going to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. Once you push the pin in, the tray will pop out, and when you take it out, you will have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So occupy each slot that you want to use. So SIM cards, you can use either one of them, doesn't really matter which one, and then SD card has its dedicated place. From there, insert it back into the device. And as you can see, it automatically starts reading the cards. So this is the SIM card. It's asking me for the pin because my SIM card has a pin on it. So it is obviously working, and then SD card is working as well based on this notification right here. So that being said, this is how you would insert SIM card and SD card into this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.